How to recover deleted CapCut project. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To recover your deleted CapCut project, it is pretty simple. Firstly, launch a CapCut application. Now, CapCut does have its own storage, or in other words, you can say the CapCut cloud. To reach out to it, you can just tap on the library option. Here, you will see Spaces. This Spaces is actually your CapCut cloud or your CapCut backup. Tap on View All to select all or search for all the videos that is available in your Spaces. However, if the video is not uploaded or backed up in the CapCut space, you will not be able to find it and you may not able to recover the deleted CapCut project, which means that you may have to recreate the video from the scratch. However, if you have backed it up or uploaded in the CapCut cloud, you will easily find in your CapCut space and recover it by just clicking on it and downloading it again. Now, if you do not have such feature, this means your CapCut is not up to date. In that case, head back from here, open up your Play Store and search for CapCut. Make sure that your CapCut is up to date. If not, tap on any update that is available. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.